Oh, hello, my ghoulish friends. So today we are here with Miss Clawdeen Wolf G1 base core version. So we can review Miss Clawdeen's very sweet birthday. Oh my god, yes. I didn't have a purple shirt just like her, so I brought my lilac one and my little bonnet. So we're going to review her because she was on promotion on Amazon, and her box you can see that a couple of damages, but Amazon just sent me in a plastic bag and I could do nothing about it. So let's see what she's all about. And yeah, come with me. Yay! Okay, we have the thumbnails. Let's see her. And we are back with Miss Clawdeen Wolf. And actually, guys, I was a little bit shocked because she have like chest articulation. She should be like just a budget doll, but she have like this gorgeous long hair, and I think it is saran. Really do, because girl, she fell off her support, man. Just a second, guys. Oh my god, she fell off the support. Okay, so she's going to fall again, I think so. So let's do her like this. So her makeup, first of all, purple with her eyelashes white, just as it should be. A couple of earrings, her hair brown, which we love Clawdeen in brown. She looks like really stunning, with a couple of purple and lilac scents all around. Pretty long hair, like down to the knees. Beautiful face. Clothes, it's pretty basic, but it's sweet with the line at all, like this rococo renaissance kind of thing with the jails. And her shoes, like the shoes look sickening, like the big junk shoes. She's really a beautiful doll. The moon phases around her, and she's like a really beautiful doll. I'm not to complain because she's really pretty. We can't say nothing about the doll. I think that for a budget doll, she really do the job, and it's like a good quality doll. And she's here just for complete my Scarlet birthday collection. Now I'm just missing Frank and Cleo, and I'm going to buy her pretty soon. So she's here, and I'm queer. Hi! And she's looking really great. Like, she's really cute, she's really pretty. Like, guys, these resin stands are not it. Really, they're not it. I buy this one. It's a resin one, and they just don't do the job. Like, okay, so she's not on her support, and she's like pretty. She's gorgeous. I really do like her. And coming back with her box again. She comes with a lot of bags, mystery bags, so we can know what's inside. I'm not going to open all of them. I just want this one that comes with a plate, so I can put on her hands and show her like that. The others one I'm not going to open because I'm not really into the little mimic right here. So I just want this one, and I need the little cupcake, so I can put it right here. So it's going to be complete, and I think that it's in this other one. Yeah, I was right. It's just 2 cupcakes. Like 2 cupcakes. I need 4 more. I think I will need to open all the bags so I can have the cupcakes. Oh my god. Oh, this is a schoolet. Nice. Like, look at that. It's the same. Like, a schoolet eyes, but I think that's the same. So let's keep it right here. So, okay. Let's open the other pack so I can have other cupcakes to put on her gold plate. We have 2 up to now. Let me see this one. Oh, we have one right here. But it's just one. It's a purple one, and they have like spider webs around the top. So we have 3 out of 6. Let's continue with our journey. Oh, like that's cute, like a bunch of schoolettes. Let's continue our journey so we can have our cupcakes out together. Oh, the plate, those are right back here. We have one more right here, one purple more, and we have like more cakes, and they're really pretty. Like, it's a really good accessory. This other plate for the cupcakes, 6 spots, and a couple of accessories so you can decorate it and fulfill your fantasy of a cake decorator. Like, you can be Body Balastro or something like that. Let's see the other one. Oh, this one is where you push the plate on in so you can do the icing. This one is really pretty, like roses. And we have another cake. It's a black one this time. Oh, the top of the cake. Sweet 1600. Like, so cute. I did not find the other one. Maybe it's inside of these bags. And I'm going to search later. Yeah, because I need to clean this mess that I did on my floor. But that's it, guys. I just want to show like Miss Clawdeen for y'all. And she's really pretty. She's really a beautiful doll. She's cute. And she's all put together. So that's it. I hope you guys have enjoyed her. Have enjoyed the review. We are we are combining real look-alike with the purple and the lilac. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye.